I love the class because I never tried coding, but I really wanted to like try art, and this is kind of like art.
Yeah, I always wanted to make a game by like coding, and it's really fun how like, if you just do that, then the balloon goes that way. So it's really cool how, I was able to code and do something like that.
Wow. So, and if you want to make the games with the other programming languages, the problem is you need to type a lot of lines, like 1,000, 2,000, a million lines also sometimes, okay? So, but if you use the Scratch, the easiest thing is everything is colorful blocks and no need to type. You just need to drag and drop the blocks on the screen, right? That's a fun thing. Okay. Yeah. Arjun, now can you?
Yeah, I always like yeah, I like this class because I know like how to code in like actual programming languages, but the thing is like I always like Scratch for like its simplicity, but I could never like learn by myself how to create a game. So
Wow.
I really liked it.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
Yeah.
I really liked it because like I always wanted to make a game, and this is like really good for starting to make a game.
Yes, it's really cool.